Guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today this is CN on now on the screen, and you are watching CN Great Counsels and Forex Trade. And today I bring to you another wonderful video, and this is most likely going to be the last video I'm going to make in the series of how to trade trend line profitably. Now you remember I said that there are certain classic patterns that are extremely obeyed on boom and crash, and I did mention to you double top pattern and trend line. Whenever you spot a valid one just like the one I'm going to show you now, and I'm going to draw a trend line. Actually, I was supposed to take a sniper entry now from M5. Okay, now let's just take a sniper entry before I will draw the trend line. Okay, we're taking two trades. Okay, we're taking two trades. Okay, now I was actually on it already, but I had issues recording, and that's why I decided to change my recorder. But let me quickly draw the trend line, and I'll show you from our 15 minutes time frame. We are drawing a trend line. Okay, drawing a trend line. Now I am actually sure of the trade. That's why I decided to take the trade before drawing the trend line. But you don't have to do this, but because I know already what the market is doing around here, which I'm going to explain to you, that's why I am taking the trade right away. Okay, now yes, now you can zoom in this way to make adjustment if need be. Okay, now this is actually a sniper entry from the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, of course our sniper entry from the 5 minutes time frame is supposed to be somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. Let me just show you. Okay, let me take my brush. It's supposed to be somewhere around here. Okay, at the introduction of this. Now if you look at this place, this fractal was not introduced when this first bearish candle was there. Okay, it was at the close of the first bearish candle that this fractal was introduced. So our sniper entry was supposed to be at the introduction of this second bearish candle you are seeing, this second bearish candle. Okay, the fractal you're seeing was introduced at the introduction of this second bearish candle. So that's a sniper entry. Okay, now let me get back to our 15 minutes time frame. Okay, now I just drew the trend line on our 15 minutes time frame, but I'm having confirmations from 30 minutes time frame as well. Now if you look very well, you discover that this market has been on a bearish move. Okay, on a bearish move from here, bearish move. Okay, now this is just a kind of correction. Okay, now aside that, I want to quickly tell you something I said, and I've always said that I'll continue to emphasize on it. Your ability to spot the move of the market early enough helps you to take advantage of the market. So I mean, Forex is real, guys. All you need is just to know how. Okay, and you'll be making your cool money from Forex market. Now, as I said earlier, this market is on a bearish move, just as you can see. Okay, and then it came down here, all right, and made a bullish move, touching this area. Okay, now I discovered that the market is respecting a particular trend line. Okay, and then I got prepared to take this trade. Now this video is not going to be that long, but I want you to pay attention to what I'm saying right now, because it's going to change your life if you are able to do this. Now this market can never break this trend line without making at least three obvious touches to the up trend, to the up and to the down of this trend line. Remember, you always draw twin trend line, one to the up and one to the down. Now I want to show you something. Let's go to M15. this market made a move, a bearish move, okay, and then made this bullish move. Now if you look right inside the circle I'm going to draw right now, you discover that the market is making a new movement right inside here. And in this movement, it started from here. But the trend line that is respecting is this and this. Okay, now let me clear this off. Now, when he made this bullish move, okay, when he made this bullish move to this place, he touched this trend line and bounced off, and then came to this place and touched it and then bounced off. He didn't touch the trend line upward again, but he came down and touched the trend line here and bounced off, and then going here, it's touching here already and is bouncing off. Now to the upside, the market has only made one touch, two touch, and then to the downside it has made one touch and two touch. Now let me clear this off and then show you. Now to the upside of this chart, now the market has made one touch on the trend line and then two touch on the trend line. To the downside, it has made one touch and two touch. Okay, so two touches to the up and to the down each. Okay, now I did tell you earlier that the market can never break this trend line except it makes at least 3 touches to either the upside or to the downside of this trend line. Okay, now that's why I was able to spot this move. Look at what is happening right now on M5. This is a sniper entry from N5 and it's close to 10 candlesticks already. Okay, now even if I am scalping and I want to take my profit, I can decide to take my profit now and then jump out of the market. I don't know if you understand, but then I'm having a confirmation. Now if you go to M5, you discover this is a big market, and what I just said is also happening here. Look at the move, look at the bearish move. Okay, look at the bearish move right here, from here, and then okay, this the recent move is around here now. Now this is the first touch I told you to the up, the second touch, the first touch to the down, the second touch. All right guys, now that is it guys. So this market will never break this trend line except it makes three touches, or at least 3 touch to the down. And I'm looking at it that this market is coming down this way to make a 3rd touch, hence my sniper entry. Okay, it's coming down to make the 3rd touch, and before it gets to this trend line, I can decide to take my profit somewhere here or somewhere here, and then at the close of this first 15 minutes bearish candlestick, fractal will be introduced here. Okay, and then I can decide to enter more trades, because that will signify price rejection to the top, and I will take at least 2 to 3 candlesticks on 15 minutes time frame. That's a huge amount of money guys. Okay, so don't forget, once again I say that your ability to spot the move of the market any point in time helps you to take advantage of the market and what it's doing. So guys, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button if you are watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel up to this point. Turn on the notification bell, and then you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you are finding value in this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, like, and share this video with your friends and fellow traders so that we'll be making the money together. Oh, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. So this video is not gonna be that long. I'm gonna just set my stop loss. Let me quickly show you where to set your stop loss whenever you spot a move like this. Now we're gonna place our horizontal line the easiest way. Now you're going to place your horizontal line here, put your stop loss away from just above the recent 2 moves. Okay, let it not be too high, but let it not be too close, so that you not be kicked out of the market. Remember that sometimes the market goes against you before going your direction. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to this place, and then we'll pick the trend line that we just put and copy, and then put this is it. This is the trend line, I mean the horizontal line. We're going to copy the points, and then we get to our trade, and just this way. Okay, then you paste it here, and then you click on modify. Then you do same for this, you paste it here, you click on modify. Now if you want to set your TP, same thing apply. Okay, same thing applies. What you're going to do, let's delete this first. Okay, or you simply put another one wherever you want to put your TP. Okay, I'm going to TP here for the first 2 trades. At the close of the 15-minute candlestick, I can decide to take more trades. Now let's go to this place, and then pick the value of the points of the horizontal line we put for our TP. Then you copy it here. Oh, sorry about that. You're going to copy, then you go back, okay, to the same place, and then you paste it on TP. Oh, that was a mistake. Okay, now let's delete this. Yeah, let's get back. Yes, this is yes, this is it. I'm gonna copy this right now. Copy, place, then we paste. Okay, then we click modify. Then we do same for this. We paste, we click modify. Yeah, so guys, that's all for today. But don't forget that it may not always happen like this 100% all of the time. Hence the need for you to always trade with your stop loss. So many thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in my next video.